this is Hiroko, and she's on her 1948 Triumph Speed Twin. We're at the Hotrod Hayride at Bisley, and Hiroko is the second owner of this bike, which was found in a barn. Just admiring your bike, Hiroko. How long have you owned? How long have you owned the bike? How many years?
5 years.
About 5 years?
Yeah.
You're lucky, and you're the second owner.
Yes, I wanted this model for like 7-8 years, then my friend found.
You're very lucky.
Yeah.
Where was it found in England? In a barn?
Coming down with a casualty.
I don't know exactly where, because my friend's friend found this bike from somebody's shed. Then I bought this bike from my friend's friend.
All right.
Yeah.
It was so lucky. It's beautiful, and it's all original. It's all original.
Yeah.
Wow.
When I bought this one, no handlebars, so handlebars obviously new, but the meter or a meter, every switch, other things,
All original.
Original.
And is this the genuine mileage?
Actually, the speed stopped working last year, so.
Gosh. Beautiful. And what size engine has it got?
500 cc.
Oh. What's the colour called?
Jordan Griffiths,
Maroon.
Mum and Dad.
Maroon.
Can you come to reception?
Somebody told them it's
Jordan Griffiths.
Amarash
Griffiths.
red.
I can't say it.
Amarash
Griffiths.
Amarash red.
Okay, Jordan. Mum and Dad, please come to reception. You had a little fall, we need to talk to you.
Modelling.
What, Griffith?
You're still on there?
21 year Saturday.
Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, it's gorgeous. What's it? Is it? Can you start it up? Do we hear it, or is it difficult? Just so we can just hear it.
Actually, easy start.
Easy start.
Yeah.
Not the old-fashioned kick start.
You can start saying a few kicks, sometimes just one kick.
Yeah, starts easy. Wow.
I need to pick it up.
So Hiroko's going to start it up for us. Wow.
I hope one kick.
Whoa. That's gorgeous. Hiroko, will you ride it a little bit, just so it can, just so you ride it, just a little bit round here. Just a little bit round the car park that's film you. Wow. That is one lucky lady to find that bike as a second owner ever. How good is that?